Are you struggling to keep your tasks and deadlines organized? Today, I'm going to show you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar, a game changer for managing projects and never missing an important date. Start by opening the Trello board where all your tasks live. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you manage multiple boards. On the right-hand side, you'll see the menu. Click on Power Ups. This is where Trello's magic happens. In the Power Up section, search for Calendar and add it to your board. Once added, close the menu and you'll notice the calendar option now visible on your Trello interface. Click on it, then locate the gear icon to access settings. Here, you'll find the iCalendar feed link. Copy it because this link is the key to syncing Trello with Google Calendar. Next, open Google Calendar. On the left-hand side, find the plus sign next to Other Calendars and choose Orikov's from URL. Paste the iCalendar link you copied from Trello and click Add Calendar. And just like that, your Trello board is now synced with Google Calendar. All your tasks and deadlines will appear directly in your calendar, helping you streamline your workflow and stay on top of every project. By integrating Trello with Google Calendar, you're not just organizing tasks, you're taking control of your time, boosting productivity, and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's time to work smarter, not harder.